How to unmute Twitch stream sound. Are you guys facing issues to unmute sound on Twitch stream live? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To unmute the sound of live stream on Twitch, first of all, head over to Twitch application on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Twitch application on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you open the app, now just simply look at the bottom of your screen where you can see this option for home. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you can see this option for live over here. You are looking to unmute this audio, right? Look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see the sound audio. Tap on it. After you click on it, you will be able to get audio of the live stream. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna unmute audio on Twitch live stream. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.